Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the noise cancelling on your Bose QuietComfort 35 and QuietComfort 35 II. So let's start the video. Bose QuietComfort 35. The headphones that used to be the king of noise cancelling before the Bose 700 came out. You can pretty much say that Bose QC35 is what started this whole noise cancelling movement. And at this point, no one does it better than Bose. Have you ever asked yourself, can I adjust the noise cancelling features on my Bose QC35? We know that at the Bose 700, you have two dedicated buttons that are meant just for that. But can you do it in the Bose QC35? The answer is yes. And let me show you how. Here with me, I have the Bose QC35i and the Bose QC35 II. Not a lot of people know, but both of them can adjust the noise cancelling with the Bose Connect app. The only difference between the QC35i and the QC35 II is that the second one has an action button, which you can see right here. And that action button can be assigned to change between the noise cancelling features. So before we start, you will need the Bose Connect app. So stop the video right now, go to your app store and get it. By the way, everyone, if this video ends up being helpful for you, please click the like button as it will help us show this video to other people like you who's looking for the same answer. All right, so once you have the Bose Connect app installed, simply connect your phone and go into the app. You'll see that right here in the app, it says Bose QuietComfort 35. I'm going to start with the QC35i first, and then I'm going to show you the QC35 II, because on the QC35i, there is no action button. But I will show you on the 2 how to assign it to the noise cancellation levels. So it could be that your Bose QuietComfort 35 are not updated. If they are not, it will show you on the app right here. Simply update them, because if you don't, you won't be able to use that feature on the QC35i. So once it's updated, you'll see this icon at the bottom left, this circle with some waves. That's basically the noise cancellation. Once you click it, you have 3 modes. You have off, low, and high, and you can basically choose from these modes. And that's pretty much it with the QC35i. Let's move on to the QC35 II. One take wonder! When your QC35 II are connected to the Bose Connect app, simply you're gonna go to the app, and then you still have the same thing as the QC35, where you can choose the noise cancellation between high, low, and off. But in order to adjust the action button and assign it to toggle between the modes, you're gonna go and click on settings, which is right here, the gear icon. And then you're gonna go to the action button. And as you can see right now, it's set up on noise cancellation, but as a default, it's gonna be on Google Assistant. So basically just switch it to noise cancellation. And now, whenever you wanna toggle between high, low, and off, you simply click this button right here, and it is going to do the job. By the way, if you could not listen to me throughout this entire video because these two sexy beasts here with their Geo Gray and black camo earpads distracted you, then I am sorry. But you can upgrade your Bose QC35 to have the same earpads and look this sexy as well. We're giving away a 30% off coupon. Simply click the link at the top right corner right now and grab your coupon. And that is it for today's video. I hope that I was able to answer some of your questions and that this video was helpful. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. And I will see you in the next video.